Good morning, students. In the last lecture we started with the multiplication of the matrices and problems based on it. And we started with the exercise 2.3. So next question from the same exercise. Let us see what is the question. If A is equal to 432 minus 1 2 0, B is equal to 1 2 minus 1 0 1 minus 2, show that AB is non-singular. We have to show that AB is non-singular. What is we know that what is singular matrix. When its determinant is 0, it is called as singular matrix, and when its determinant is non-zero, then it will be a non-singular. So first we will do multiplication of these two matrices AB, because we have to show that AB is non-singular. So multiplication of these two matrices will be first row first column. So 4 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 2 into 1. First row second column. 4 into 2 plus 3 into 0 plus 2 into minus 2. Now second row first column, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 0 into 1. Next second row first column, minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 0 into minus 2. So after calculations, this matrix will be 3 4 minus 3 minus 2. So this is AB matrix. We have to show that it is non-singular. So determinant of this AB, it is determinant of 3 4 minus 3 minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 into 4 minus 12. So minus 6 plus 12 will be 6. So determinant of AB is non-zero, therefore it is non-singular. Next question. If A is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, prove that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0, where I is 2 by 2 unit matrix. A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to. So first we will find out A square. Here matrix is A square means A into A. So 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2. So multiplication of these two matrices, first row first column. So 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Now first row second column, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. First, now second row first column, minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Second row second column, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So this will come after calculation. This matrix will be A square will be 8 5 minus 5 3. Okay, so we have to calculate A square minus 5A plus 7I. Okay, so 5A will be 5 into 3 1 minus 1 2. So 5A will be we have to multiply by this scalar. We have to multiply by the multiply to this matrix by 5 each element. Okay, we have to multiply to each element. So 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 5 into 2 10, 7I will be 7. I is 2 by 2 2 by 2 unit matrix, and order to unit matrix is 1 0 0 1. So 7 into 1 7, 0 into 7 0, 0 into 7 0, 7 into 1 7. So 7I. So A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. So LHS will be A square minus 5A plus 7I. 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 15 5 minus 5 10 plus 7 0 0 7. So we have taken left hand side only. So 8 minus 15, 5 minus 5, minus 5 minus of minus 5, 3 minus 10 plus 7 0 0 7. 8 minus 15 minus 7, 5 minus 5 0, minus 5 plus 5 will be 0. Here it will be minus 7 plus 7 0 0 7. Minus 7 plus 7 0, 0, 0 plus 0 We are adding corresponding elements now. We are doing addition. Keep in mind, while doing addition and subtraction, we just add and subtract respective elements. So 0 plus 0 0, minus 7 plus 7 0. So 0 0 0. So this means RHS, that is 0 matrix. Okay. Next question. Find x and y if 4 into this matrix minus this into this is equal to xy. So this is given part. We have to find out values of x and y. So first we will do the multiplication of scalar, means we will multiply this matrix, each element of this matrix by 4. So 4 into 2 8, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 0 0, 4 2s are 8, minus 3 minus 3, this as it is, and this matrix as it is, and last one xy also as it is. Now we will do the subtraction of this two matrices. 8 minus 3, minus 4 minus minus 3, 12 minus 4, 4 minus 2, 0 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1 as it is, xy as it is. 8 minus 3 5, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, 12 minus 4 8, 4 minus 2 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 8 minus 1 7, this 2 minus 1 1 as it is equal to xy. Now we will do the multiplication of these two matrices. So first row, first column, 5 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 8 into 1, 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 7 into 1 is equal to xy. 10 plus 1 plus 8, this as it is, and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 plus 7 as it is. This will be 19 and this will be 12 is equal to xy. So x is equal to 19 and y is equal to 12. Okay, because they both were equal. Now next, transpose properties of transpose of a matrix. Next part is properties of a transpose of a matrix. So let us see first what are the properties. If A and B are two matrices of same order, then A plus B whole bracket transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second property, if A is a matrix and K is a constant, then Ka whole bracket transpose is equal to K into A transpose. So this K will remain as it is a constant. If A and B are comfortable for the product AB, then AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So we know that what is the concept of transpose. So we will now see some problems from the exercise 2.4. Question 1, find A transpose if A is equal to 2 minus 6 1 minus 4 0 5. So we have to find out the transpose of this matrix. So what is the transpose of the matrix? We have to change rows to column or columns to rows. Okay, so A transpose will be this first row will become first column. So 2 minus 6 minus 1, 2 minus 6 1, and this second row will become second column, minus 4 0 5. Okay. Next question, if A is this matrix, B is this matrix, C is this matrix, then show that A minus C whole bracket transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. So while solving this question, we will first take LHS A minus C transpose. So first we will find out A minus C. So 2 minus this A matrix, 2 minus 3 5 minus 4 minus 6 1, this B matrix 1 2 minus 1 4 minus 2 3. So we will do the subtraction. Subtraction will follow this corresponding elements rule. So 2 minus 1, here it will be minus 3 minus 2, 5 minus of minus 1, minus 4 minus 4, minus 6 minus of minus 2, 1 minus 3. So A minus C will be 1 minus 5, 6 minus 8 minus 4 minus 2. So its transpose will be, this first row will become first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third column. Okay. So let us see now RHS. RHS, A transpose minus C transpose. First we will find out A transpose. So 2 5 minus 6 minus 3 minus 4 1. This is A transpose, transpose of matrix A. Here it is C transpose. It is 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 4 3. And now we have to do the subtraction of A transpose minus C transpose. 2 5 minus 6 minus 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 4 3. So this will be 2 minus 1, 5 minus of minus 1, minus 6 minus 2, minus of minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, minus 4 minus 4, 1 minus 3. So this will become 1 6 minus 4 minus 8 minus 5 minus 8 minus 2. So LHS matrix and RHS matrix both are equal, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Next question, if A is equal to 7 3 0 0 4 minus 2, B matrix is 0 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 4. What is the question? Then find 5A transpose minus 5B transpose. What we have to find out? 5A transpose minus 5B transpose. So first we will find out A transpose. So A transpose will be, this first row will become first column. So 7 3 0. This second row will become second column, 0 4 minus 2. B transpose, this first row will become first column, 0 minus 2 3, and this second row will become second column, that is 2 1 minus 4. 5A transpose means we have to multiply this A transpose by 5. Okay. So by scalar multiplication means we have to multiply this matrix by 5, each element of this matrix by 5. So 5 7s are 35, 5 zeros are 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 0 0, 5 into minus 2 it will be minus 10. This is 5A transpose. Now B transpose, and we have to find out 5B transpose. So it will be this will be 5. We have to multiply this matrix by 5. So 5 into 0 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 into minus 4 minus 20. So 5A transpose minus 5B transpose, this minus this. So 35 0 by 15 20, 0 minus 10 minus 0 10 minus 10 5, 15 minus 20. 35 minus 0. So we have to do the subtraction of corresponding elements. So 35 minus 0, 0 minus 10, 15 minus of minus 10, 20 minus 5, 0 minus 15, minus 10 minus of minus 20. So this will become 35 minus 10, 15 plus 10 25, 25 minus 5 15, sorry 20 minus 5 15, 0 minus 5 minus 15, minus 10 minus of minus 20 is minus 10 plus 20, it will become 10. Okay. Next question is, prove that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. So here A matrix is this 1 2 4 3 2 1 minus 2 minus 3 2. So A transpose will be, here this first row will become first column 1 2 4, this second row will become second column 3 2 1, this third row will become third column -2 -3 2. So we have to find out addition A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. We know that what is the condition of symmetric matrix? It is a matrix in which condition is Aij is equal to Aji. So A plus A transpose. Now matrix A plus A transpose, this matrix. So we will do the addition of this corresponding elements. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 4 minus 2 2, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus minus 3 means 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus 2 plus 4 2, minus 3 minus 1, sorry, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, 2 plus 2 4. So here A13 is equal to A31, A21 is equal to A12 and A23 is equal to A32. So these two elements are same, these two elements are same and these two elements are same. So here it is satisfying condition of A13 is equal to A31, A21 is equal to A12, A23 is equal to A32. So A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Okay, so next this question you can do it. Here it is, here you have to take first LHS part and you have to do the multiplication of these two matrices, and then after the multiplication whatever answer will come you have to take transpose of it. Here first you have to take transpose of B and transpose of A and then do the multiplication and check whether this LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay. So solve the questions whatever I am giving for practice. Also solve examples and problems from exercise miscellaneous. So start from now only, because after this lockdown you have to appear for exam, and solved examples are also important because in board exams sometimes they come as it is. So do it regularly. Thank you.